just keep me close. I don't wanna see you love, no one but me. Oh, no, no. I don't wanna see you love, no one but me. You know I fight for what is mine.
What up, fam? My name is Luke and welcome back to my channel, Wicked Whips. Today, you saw from the intro, I was taking off my rear view mirror covers. The reason why I was taking off my rear view mirror covers is because I picked up a new sponsor and I'm happy about it. They're called SubieBros. I'm sure you guys know about them. They're all over Instagram. They have their own page on YouTube. And back in 2017, my first F1 light, or my only F1 light, was from them. I did a lot of research, and the reason why I chose them back then 3 years ago was because they were one of the only people I saw that actually had a plug and play for the F1 light where you didn't have to splice any wires. So that F1 light works as a running light, reverse light, and a brake light. So SubieBros, they sent me over a care package, and this you saw me taking over the passenger side rear view mirror covers. I will show you how to take off the driver's side for those who don't know, or if it's their first time doing it. And let's go see what's in the box. Alrighty folks, you might have guessed from the opening video or the time-lapsed unboxing. If you guessed right, well, pat yourself on the back. These are the sequential LED turn signals with the DRL function. That's what the white wire represents. So in this video, this is pretty much plug and play. I'll just show you how to take off the rear view mirror covers, hook up the lights, and for the next video, I will show you how to run the wire, take off the inside of the door, and run it to the fuse for your DRL function. But that's pretty dope that they sent me this. This is freaking sequential LED turn signals with a DRL function. That's pretty dope. In the box, obviously you get the left and the right. Gets a couple stickers, some taps, zip ties. What you're gonna need for this video: Phillips head screwdriver and soft. This is a very, very soft pry tool, so it doesn't leave any marks or anything like that. So let's go on to the install. All right, fam, let me show you how to get going with this. First thing you want to do, now I'm going to show you on the driver's side because I didn't take it off yet. That's why I purposely left it on there. You fold the mirror in. Now this is the passenger side kit right here. This tab right here, you're going to put your pry tool right in between. There's a little bit of a space right here that separates the nice glossy finish from this matte finish. Once you put your pry tool in there, you're trying to get this tab out of the way. Now once that tab comes out, depending on how, if you've never taken this off yet, it might come off easily, or just like me, I've never taken this off, so it might just fly out, who knows. Let me just pop it out real quick. See? Yeah, it's a little bit stiff and it fell out, but it's that easy. And this pry tool, it's pretty soft, so you're not scratching the surfaces and you're not gonna break it. You just take your time and do it. Now, once you take that off, turn the mirror this way, grab underneath right here and just slightly pull outward. Slightly, nice, just steady pressure, nothing crazy. Don't go freaking like the Hulk on them. And that's it. Beautiful. All right, so now once you have the covers off, this Phillips head right here, that one right here, that needs to come off. You're gonna free up the whole thing, unplug it, plug the other one in. Let's go.
Fuck a Ferris Bueller, but I never take no days off. I just hit a lick. Why don't you come taste this drip? I be on the strip, Tesla autopilot. Life is just a gift. You gon' get out what you give.
All right, fam. So just to mention, this is what's gonna have to happen. This this piece here, the OEM piece, this has like a built-in housing on the back of this. This one doesn't. So the connectors, you're just gonna have to just tuck it in right here. I actually tried obviously folding the mirror backwards and forwards. It's fine. So all you got to do is just tuck it in right here. The white power wire, as I said in the next video, I'll be showing you how to install that. That you can just tuck in under here, and the cover, just run it nice and neat like this, and the cover is going to go over everything, so you're not going to have a problem. Let me show you. All right, so with the mirror folded in, the top goes in first, the same way you took it off. So the top came off last. Now the top goes in first. Click. Definitely listen for the clicks. And that's it. Good as new. Pretty dope. Let's just check if it works real quick. I actually showed that in the time lapse, but yeah. Freaking sun, man. The sun. There we go. That's beautiful. It's freaking legit. I love it. All right, so let's do the other side and wrap this bad boy up.
I know pussy is damaging, bitch, I came from it. I know pussy is damaging, bitch, I came from it. Getting money to the doors, elevator, might tight stuff, and I know I'ma cut off for the loose shit.
All right, fam. Everything is buttoned up. The install is complete. It's fairly easy, quick. As I said, stay tuned till next time. I'll show you how to wire it up as a DRL. And let me just let the sun go down a little bit more, and I'll show you how beautiful it looks with all the signals flashing together. Watch out. All right, folks, it's a bit darker. Let me just turn on the hazards real quick.
I'm a little bit wiser now, took up the blindness now. Where did my life go out? Thank God I figured it out. Feeling so happy right now, no more you bringing me down.
Damn. Look how freaking sick that shit looks. Beautiful. And it flows so nice along with the rest. By the way, guys, definitely use my name Wicked Whips for a little bit of a discount on their site. And by the way, on their site, they're the ones that actually sell this the cheapest. So you get your bang for your dollar. Not too shabby. And their freaking shipping is free. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all cats soon. And don't forget, stay your asses inside. Peace.